So if you wanted to expand or create the next room, um, you can break this wall up first, and don't use this wall to create another room like this. You need to like expand this. Okay, so you can click there, and then you can break this wall, like clicking corner, and then you can expand this wall by maintaining this corner. And then from this corner, then you can start creating a line. Okay, and then you simply move and snap this into place. Okay, so if you want to make that corner, you simply pull this back until you create that corner. Okay, because the walls for the insides are supposed to be only 5 inches. This is here, but the walls for the outside is going to be 9 inches. So make sure that you're consistent. Inside walls are um, 5 inches and outside walls are 9 inches. Okay, so make sure you utilize the uh, dividing of the wall, or by cutting the wall. You can wherever you can click. So sometimes you can click just on the edge of the wall, and then you can create a corner on that wall, like that. So let's just go here as close as we can be. Oh, I think that's the closest I can. Yeah, that's the closest I can. And then simply click corner, and it'll divide that for you. And then you can select this line and pull it back. And then you have that corner there, and that's where you draw your next wall. Okay, so inside corner, inside line walls are 5 inches, and outside walls are 9 inches. So make sure you're consistent with that one. Okay, so try to make a habit of saving your file every time you change it. All right.